This video will teach you how to create a task that has checklists attached to it. We will then have a quick look at some checklist uses. First, let's have a quick look at creating a task by accident. If we create a new blank task, but instead of deleting it we click on cancel and close, because it was not deleted it will appear in our task list. Have a look at the task list and it will show you as a task with an error. You can see it here. This happens sometimes with contacts, projects and tasks. To stop this from happening, if you create a task that you don't want to save, click on the delete task item here, not cancel and close, as shown. The task is not created. To delete the empty task, simply check the box beside the task, then click on delete task icon. Run the query again as shown to give you the up-to-date list. Now, we're going to run a new query just to see all the tasks that have checklists attached to them. There is a query here called isChecklist. To see how a query is created, have a look at the query editor. You can see here that this query returns all appointments that are not templates and have the checklist field with something in it. You can build up and save many queries returning lots of different results. Now we're going to create a new template. This is a task that can be used over and over again on many different jobs or projects. Click on New Task, New Template. Name the template as shown. Take out the date, as this will be added later. Enter the category, time marker and type. Use whatever you think is appropriate for the type of checklist you're creating. For more information on these fields, have a look at the tutorial on drop-downs. Now, to create a checklist for this template, click on Create Checklist. We build up the list by adding items as shown. The first line we're creating is a title for the checklist. This is the type Group Heading. The rest of the items can be any of the following: text, checkbox, list, number, date, time, and group heading. You can have as many headings as you like and as many lines as you need. Add the lines as shown to suit your needs. Note how lists are created with a vertical line between options. There's a vertical line at the very beginning and one between each option. These checklists can be created for tasks that are performed in the office, but would be more typically given to a field staff person to be done on a tablet or a phone using 1BizApp's mobile application on the Google Play for Android and iTunes stores. Sometimes when you're creating a checklist, the numbers don't come out as you meant, or you just need to reorder the list. To do this, simply renumber the order in the way that you want. So now we want to use our new list. First, we're just going to check it and have a look to see what it looks like. Run the query template master as shown. This brings up a list of all the master templates that have been created. The task we're looking for here is called Gate Inspection and Service. Open the task and then the checklist. Checklists can be completed either on the desktop or on the mobile or tablet app. To use the checklist, we'd normally go into a job, then open a task in it. We want to attach a task to this job called Little Gates. Open up the job and then click on Tasks within the job as shown. All our templates are displayed when we click on New Task. For this job, we want to use the template Site Inspection. Select the task and open the checklists. Complete the checklist as desired. At this stage, a checklist can be saved and closed, which will mean that it can be returned to for completion, or you can save and submit the checklist, which will lock it so it can't be edited. On the task, the checklist will have a status of either not started, in progress, or completed. Once submitted, the status will be set to complete, and you cannot edit the checklist again. To find recently submitted checklists, go into Tasks and select the query Checklist Submitted Recently. Checklists have many uses. They can be used in the field to capture customer requirements. These can be then used in the main application to help generate the line items for quotes. This process is explained in other videos, and a real example can be seen on the 1BizApp introduction video. Another bespoke use by some clients is to display checklist results on their web pages. Their web page looks up the checklist data and displays it. Contact Chapman IT for more information on this feature.